Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel Longani Clinics. Today we are going to discuss a very important concept in the study of repertories, that is individualization and generalization in the construction of repertories. Different stalwarts of homeopathy like Kane, Boningason, Bogart and therapeutic pocketbook repertory have each applied these principles in their own unique way. Understanding this difference not only deepens our knowledge but also makes our repertorization more accurate and scientific. So let's explore how these masters build their repertories on these guiding principles. The concept of individualization versus or generalization is a very important principle behind the construction of different repertories, and understanding it helps in appreciating their practical application. Let's break it down in short with examples from Kent, Boningason, Bogart and TPB repertories. First one is a Kent's repertory. Here you will find individualization. Now we'll see the approach. Kent emphasizes more on individualization. He focuses more on particular symptoms, modalities and mental generals. Now we'll see the construction in Kent's repertory. Symptoms are arranged anatomically, schematic order, from head to foot. Each rubric is usually specific. For example, headache, better morning. Headache, better by motion. Now, what is the concept? More importance is given to individual peculiar symptom suitable for individualized prescribing. For example, mind, anxiety in the night, in bed. A very individualized rubric. Now we'll see the second one. Second one is a Boningason's repertory. Here generalization you will find. The approach is Boningason applied the doctrine of generalization. Here you will find what is the idea? A modality. For example, worse cold and better by motion. Once observed in one part can be applied to the whole patient. Now what is the construction here? Modalities and sensations are generalized to the entire person. Location becomes less important. Modalities become universal. What is the concept? Boningason emphasizes on modalities and concomitants. This is a generalized approach. Whatever is true to the part is true as a whole. We will see the example. If a patient has a headache, worse cold air, Boningason generalized cold air to all complaints of the patient. Means the patient is worse by cold air. The third one is a Bogart's repertory. Here you will find synthesis of both. The approach is Bogart combined Boningason's generalization and Kane's individualization. Now the construction part you will see. It stresses more on modalities and concomitants. Here you will find Boningason's influence. Also, he gives more importance to the location, pathological generals and mental symptoms. Here you will find Kent's influence. Now what is the concept for Bogart? A balance method. General modalities plus particular expressions. We'll see one example. Headache with nausea, worse cold air and better by pressure. Here Bogart keeps both the general modality and the particular location. Now we'll see the fourth one. Is a therapeutic pocketbook repertory. The principles and practice of repertorization. Now what is the approach? TPB repertory is more modern and practical trying to bring scientific structure into repertorization. Now, what is the concept? It uses a combination of individualization and generalization depending on the case, means the flexible approach. When clear peculiar symptoms are present, individualization. When only general modalities characteristics are available, generalization. What is the construction here? It integrates Keynes, Bonning-Assens and Bogar's principle for flexible application. Now let's understand it through a chart. Please go through the chart. In short, Kent individualization. Then Bonning-Assan generalization. Bogart combination of both. TPB practical synthesis of all. Now let's see the summary. Kent's repertory represents the principle of individualization. It gives more importance to the peculiar characteristic symptoms of the patient, especially mental generals and particular modalities. Each rubric is highly specific, which makes it very suitable when a case presents a clear individualizing symptoms. Bonning-Assan's repertory, on the other hand, is based on the principle of generalization. According to this doctrine, a modality or sensation observed in one part can be extended to the entire patient. Thus, modalities and concomitants are emphasized more than the exact location. This approach is very helpful when the case lacks clear individual peculiarities but shows strong modalities or concomitant symptoms. Then Bogar's repertory. It stands between the two. It represents a synthesis of generalization and individualization. Like Bonning-Hassan, Bogart stressed modalities and concomitants, but he also incorporated Kant's focus on location, pathological generals, and mental symptoms. This made his repertory more balanced and versatile in the application. The TPB repertory, the principles and practice of repertorization, takes a flexible and practical approach, combining all the earlier principles. It uses individualizing whenever peculiar symptoms are available and applies generalization when only broad modalities or generals are present. Thus, it adapts according to the nature of the case. Now let's see the concluding part. So friends, to summarize, Kant's repertory highlights individualization. Bonning-Assan focuses on generalization. Bogart created a blend of both, and the TPB repertory applies all these principles flexibly according to the case. By understanding these concepts, we can choose the right approach for each patient and improve our results in practice. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into homeopathy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.